Hey folks, how's it going? Today I'm opening up a Magic the Gathering Modern Horizons 3 Play Booster pack. And as always, if there's any cards from this pack that you like or use, let me know in the comments. Ooh, wait. Spoiler alert. Okay, must be two from the back in this pack. Anyway, starting off we have Mandibular Kite, Token Creature, Thriving Skyclaw, Electrozoa, Refurbished Familiar, Nyxborn Hydra, Inspired Inventor, Skoa Embermage, Faithful Watchdog, Twisted Landscape, Amped Raptor, Triton Wavebreaker, Waterlog Teachings, Estrud's Invocation, and Ral Monsoon Mage, the spoiler. Thanks for watching.